Assalamualaikum friends, I hope you're quite well. Here is my Telegram channel, Sheri SK official. Subscribe this and I will provide every notification of video first. Here you can chat here, anything. Okay, so here is professional logo collection. These files are EPS file for local illustrator user. So you see here is EPS file like a mountain or tourist or traveler logo. Here is same thing is here, some different. You write your business name or anything. Next is fly, same here, but here is some different. Wow, amazing. Here is different file. Wow, here is teeth or family care. Wow, you can change color, you can edit in Adobe Illustrator. Here is about health or sport, like a I think cricket. No, here is for cricket. Anywhere you can use, you can set. Same thing is here, just color changed. Wow, butterfly. Same here, here is butterfly with different design. Here is teeth with different design. Here is I think a green day, like a fertilizer or farmer logo, etc. or agriculture. And last is mountain. Wow, like a heart. Oh sorry, last is real estate or home logo. I hope this logo is useful for you. Subscribe my Telegram channel, Sheri SK official. So I hope you do quite well. Take care, Allah Hafiz.